Today I am very happy to come to this place and witness all the development that has happened during these 8-9 years. This is the wonderful development that happened in this place. Atmanirbhar in medical devices is the true example. That example is the MedTech Zone Visakhapatnam. Atmanirbhar process started in Visakhapatnam MTZ way back in 2016-17. In those days we used to hear even the glucometer strips which we use for testing the sugar levels are being imported into the country. Even syringes or some other machines like MRIs, dialysis machines, everything is being imported. But MTZ started manufacturing glucometer strips to MRI machines today. And I am very happy to inform you in the COVID times when I was in Mizoram, the mobile van fitted with RT-CPR has come to Mizoram, which is manufactured in Visakhapatnam MTZ, into the northeast, which is a faraway place, and nobody tries to venture to come to Mizoram. The medical van, mobile van from Visakhapatnam, it ventured to come to Mizoram. The equipment manufacturers who are here now, they are having a very bright future that all those machines which were being imported so far are replaced by the indigenously made machines. All this credit goes to MedTech Zone. And another good thing I observed in MedTech Zone is that those who want to start some production activity, they need not acquire land, they need not build shed, but they have already suitable working space being made available to them to think about starting their production within 2 months, 3 months. I think that will encourage many people to think about, because investment will be coming down. In all respects, the MedTech Zone is taking all activities that are required for a budding entrepreneur or an industrialist who is elsewhere in the world be enthused to come to Visakhapatnam and start here. 6,000 people are working in MTZ now, and 16,000 crores of investment has come. This investment will also go a long way, and many people may be attracted, and this MTZ will definitely flourish. That is why many of the foreign companies are also being attracted to set up their units in this MedTech Zone. Congratulate our CEO, Dr. Jitendra Sharma ji, for his untired efforts. He attracts, he encourages the people elsewhere in the world to come to MTZ and start some activity here. I think we have to salute for his dedication and commitment. I look forward to visit again. Thank you very much.